I would say if you are working on a career, instead of taking a break, I think it would go hands-on with your career and with the MBA ka thing. A lot of information. Within few conversation, I was very confident enough to join Mahe. Once onboarding was very easy. Within 2 days, all the onboarding was done, and the classes went very smoothly. Coming from a clinical background, technical terms were a bit difficult for me in the beginning. So with the teachers and their very simplistic explanation, and with the level of easy to moderate to higher level of teaching, everything when it comes to the clinical, with the management of the resources, and how to deal with people when we come meet one-on-one, or how to deal with the organization in general, because we just used to deal with only the patients or some part of it. So here I got to know how the whole organization work, or different organizations would work, how I'm supposed to communicate with each other and manage all the accounts and everything. Yes, because for me in my current role, I could only apply for some part of it rather than the part which I actually was interested. With this, I have the hands-on with how to work with the technical part or how to work with data. So right now I can go with that aspect. Now I can apply for the management roles as well. I did not know it would be so easy to approach people, because online you would just say online classes are there, you just study and go through. But here I can actually reach out to my peers or any of the teachers through the Mahe like online education, or I can just send them a mail. Even the technical team has been very helpful during the exams also. If I were to find anything like I'm stuck or anything, they reply very fast and they resolve it. So within a day I usually get the solution for what I'm facing. So yeah. For typically when people say if you're doing any masters or something, you have to go to class. But I would say if you are working on a career, instead of taking a break, I think it would go hands-on with your career and with the MBA ka thing, so that you will have an experience along with a degree at the end of the year.